there's a train coming, lads. Yeah, there's a dirt train. Yeah, it'll be coming now. Now it's coming. Now it's going by there. That's still going by. That's an 8627. So here's the one we squished. We started off with yeah, the dirt squished this one pretty well. Look at this one though. This one I can't believe. It got folded by the dirt. Look at it. So then we got this 10 cent here. It got squished pretty well, but not enough. And this one, you could still kind of see it only got dented by the train. This is a pretty strong coin. It's an Elizabeth coin. It's only a little thinner. And this one's a little faded. You can't really see it though. Then there's this coin. This coin got really squished. This coin got ripped in half. Seriously, I didn't find the other remainings. And then this coin's like squished as well as the other ones. This one's squished. And then these two. Yeah, they are squished and destroyed. Well, I showed you them. Hope you like these. Yeah.